Hi, how to perform an FNAC. FNAC is a very important theory question as well as it will be very useful in your clinical practice. In this video, I am going to show you the steps of performing an FNAC. Please watch the video and post your questions in the comment section and I will be too pleased to answer all of them for you. Let us get into the demonstration video. So, this patient of mine, she has a lump in her right breast. Okay, she has a lump in the right breast, and I'm going to do a FNAC. I'm going to do an FNAC. The things which I need for an FNAC are a 10 ml syringe with a 24 gauge needle and 2 or 3 glass slides for me to take the smear. So watch the steps carefully. I have cleaned this region already with sterilium and I am fixing the lump. See, it is not a visible lump, it is only a palpable lump, so you will not be able to appreciate it in the video. I am going to fix the lump here. Yes, so I am fixing the lump. Take the help of your assistant. The lump is fixed and reassure the patient. Amma chinna oosi, aspirate, take some air in the syringe and then you enter into the lump. Onna pannalama, enter inside gently. You should be able to feel the needle entering into the lump. Be careful to stay within the lump. Apply negative pressure and then make to and fro movements 3 to 4 times. While you do this, you should ensure that your needle is not coming out of the lump. After that is done, detach the needle from the syringe, withdraw some air and then reattach it. Take the needle out. So that is it, and then you have to take 2 smears. One is a air dried and another is a fixed in isopropyl alcohol. Yes, you make 2 smears. One will be air dried specimen, the other will be fixed in isopropyl alcohol. Okay, so that is FNAC. So that is the procedure for doing an FNAC. All of you know FNAC is very important exam question, and practically also you should know how to do an FNAC properly. The accuracy of an FNAC will always be better if you do it under ultrasound guidance.